Mix it up. Cooking with Mrs. Claus. Come on, mix it up. Get ready with us because we gotta mix it up. Candies and cakes, the things that you make. Holidays are bright. Cookies and pies, lemons and skies. Soldiers out of sight. We gotta mix it up. Cooking with Mrs. Claus.
Oh, hello everyone. Welcome to my magic kitchen. You're in for a real treat tonight because it is our annual tradition where the kitchen elves and I get together to make a batch of my delicious Christmas cookies to share with all the elves who've worked so hard this season. Oh, I want you to meet my happy kitchen elves. This is Twyla, Fossy, and Kirby. Now let's get started. Twyla, Fossy, could you open up the pantry there and get the ingredients out? Oh dear, the pantry's empty. Oh, that could only mean one thing. Somebody's not feeling the Christmas spirit. Oh, Twyla, is it you? Oh, Fossy, is it you? Oh, Kirby?
I'm sorry, Mrs. C, it's me. I'm just not feeling very jolly today.
Kirby, what's troubling you?
I think I've got a case of the meanie greenies, and I'm just not feeling the Christmas spirit.
Oh, Kirby, it's okay. Sometimes people aren't in the mood for Christmas. Oh, we just have to remember to look for the magic that's right in front of us.
I've been trying, Mrs. C, but sometimes I feel that so much is happening all at once, and we don't have time to just enjoy Christmas.
Well, then let's make a list of all the things that make Christmas wonderful.
But a list, then we're gonna have to check it twice, which is another thing to do.
Oh, everyone, it's all right. We are in a kitchen, so maybe we should think of it as an ingredients list. Oh, you can't have a good recipe without first knowing the ingredients. So, what recipe would warm your Christmas spirit? When you think of Christmas, what makes it special?
Well, you mentioned recipes, so I guess holiday treats?
And we are here today to make a batch of my delicious Christmas cookies.
And music!
Oh, absolutely. Nothing gets me more in the spirit than joyous bells and wonderful Christmas carols.
Ooh, goodwill! People doing things for one another and showing kindness.
A most noble ingredient.
And
Kirby, I think you're missing Christmas magic and surprise.
yeah, surprises are the best.
All right, we have our ingredients. Food, music, goodwill, and magic. So let's put these together and make the recipe for Christmas spirit. First are the treats. We need to get these cookies baking. All right, the ingredients. Oh, I know. We could use your help, dear friends. Why don't you shout out your favorite holiday foods and treats, and we'll find the right words to use to make the missing ingredients appear. Oh, go on, shout out your treats.
Hot
Pumpkin
chocolate.
pie.
Yes, that's a good one.
Pumpkin spice.
M&M.
My favorite. What else?
New York Rangers of the season.
Cookies. There's a lot of really good holiday
Not the
cookies.
Florida Panthers.
Another hot chocolate. Yes, it keeps you nice and
Keep
warm.
shouting them out, dears.
Let's go, Paul.
And with the marshmallows, another hot chocolate. Fudge, that's good. What did you hear? Gingerbread. Oh, especially.
Oh, I love gingerbread. That's my favorite.
Peppermint.
What else? Cookies. Snickerdoodles. Those are really good cookies.
Oh, my friends, those are all wonderful treats. Oh, why don't we put a few of those together? Why don't we say fruit cakes and sugar cookies? Oh, well, say it with me on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Fruit cakes and sugar cookies. Holiday magic is handy, especially in the kitchen. Now let's get baking.
Well, that certainly made Christmas bells ring in my little elf heart.
Wonderful. Twyla, Fossey, could you bring the ingredients out? We need to get these cookies in the oven.
Oh, no, Mrs. C. What if my neat ingredients don't make the Christmas cookies come out right?
Well, we'll just have to move on down that recipe list of yours to your next ingredient, music.
Yeah, sure, I guess we could all sing something.
Dashing through the snow in our
Oh dear, that is why some elves are in the choir and some are in the kitchen. But let's try it my way. Kirby, could you get me a cookie tray, please? Fossey, a mixing bowl, and Twyla, hand me that bucket of spoons. We're going to need some instruments. Now, Twyla, these spoons will make some fun tones. Give it a swirl. Oh, excellent. And Fossey, I want you to hit the center of your bowl when I point to you. Excellent. And Kirby, that tray is going to make a great sound. Oh, when I tell you, Kirby. Oh, and the rest of you, we'll let you know when to clap along. Oh, are we ready? Hit it! On to the next ingredient, goodwill.
Oh no, this one's a hard one. Goodwill isn't something that we can see.
True, but sometimes those intangibles make the greatest gifts of all.
Intangible?
Oh, yes. You might not be able to see it, but you can feel it. Oh, intangible means something that is there. Oh, you might not be able to see it or touch it. Even still, it exists. But it is Christmas, and I am a Claus, so maybe, just maybe, we'll be able to make these moments of goodwill appear as little sparks of light. Oh, let's dim the lights a little so we can see them and feel all cozy, and then maybe we'll gift wrap them up and give them to Kirby. Now, dear friends, what's something kind you can give that you don't have to buy? I'll give you a hint. If you open your arms really wide and wrap them around the nearest person, oh, go on, try. Oh, what is that called? Yes, a hug. Oh, let me see. Oh, there it is. Oh, hugs make excellent acts of goodwill. Now let's put this in our bag. Oh, what else?
Smiles.
Oh, yes. Everyone, turn to someone around you and share a smile. Oh, beautiful.
Ooh, kind words.
Oh, yes. Everyone, turn to your loved ones and say, I'm glad you're here.
I'm glad you're
Oh, I love it. What else, Kirby?
doing a favor for someone.
Oh, yes. Oh, thank you, Fossey. Keep them coming, Kirby. Fossey, Twyla, can you help me collect these sparks of light and put them in the bag?
Cleaning up a room, but without being told. Spending time with someone who needs it. Donating to those in need. sharing a drawing. Picking up some litter. Holding the door open for a stranger. Giving someone an encouraging note. Actively listening. Choosing to be kind. Wow, that gift bag is about to overflow. Just like my heart with all of these wonderful things. I can feel my mini greenies fading away.
Well, Merry Christmas, Kirby.
Thanks, Mrs. C, but this gift can't be mine alone. It should go to everyone.
Oh, Kirby, what a wonderful thing to share your gift. That is an excellent act of goodwill. And it leads us to our last ingredient, magical surprises. So let's add the magic. Now, what's one thing that makes it feel like Christmas is almost here?
Mariah Carey.
Well, yes, but also snow.
Mrs. C, we're indoors.
Well, if I can make thoughts of goodwill appear, surely I can manage a little snow. Oh, I know. Let's all do the North Pole snow step.
Yes, on the rare occasion when snow isn't making things beautiful at the North Pole, we elves get together and do the snow step. All right, Twyla, Fossey, let's do it.
All right, are we ready? Here we go. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Make some clouds. Make some clouds. Make some clouds. Make some clouds. Lizard bounce.
I'm so cold.
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 Ski the slopes. Ski the slopes. Ski the slopes. Ski the slopes. And snowball arms. Snowball arms. Snowball arms and snowball arms.
Mrs. C, it's not snowing. Where's the snow?
Oh, I do believe you'll need more help with this, Kirby. There are a lot of elves at the North Pole.
Of course. Hey, everyone. We're gonna need your guys' help to do the snow step to make it snow. So stand up with us and follow along. I promise it's easy, and it's 4 moves. It goes like this. First, we're gonna make some clouds. Next, we're gonna do the blizzard bounce, and you guys are gonna say, I'm so cold. Let's try it. Blizzard bounce, I'm so cold. Next, we ski the slopes. And lastly, we do snowball arms. All right, I think you guys are ready. Let's give it a try. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Make some clouds. Make some clouds. Make some clouds. Make some clouds. Blizzard bounce. I'm so cold. 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 Ski the slopes. Ski the slopes. Ski the slopes. Ski the slopes. And snowball arms. Snowball arms. Snowball arms and snowball arms.
One more time, double time. Make some clouds, make some clouds, make some clouds, make some clouds. Blizzard bounce.
I'm so cold.
Blizzard bounce.
I'm so cold.
Ski, 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 and snowball arms, snowball arms, snowball arms, snowball arms.
You did it. It's
Oh, we all did it. Oh, and Kirby, we finished your recipe for Christmas spirits. How do you feel?
I'm feeling terrific. I went from the meaty greenies to the holly jollies. Wait, no. We forgot to make the cookies.
Thank you, Twyla. Kirby, be a dear and open up the oven. We wouldn't want our cookies to burn.
Cookies? Cookies? But wait, how? We never saw you make them.
Oh, Kirby, you don't see Santa in your house either. But on Christmas morning, under the tree, there are presents. we Clauses have our little surprises.
Mrs. C, you really did have the recipe for Christmas spirit. Food, music, goodwill, and a little bit of Christmas magic.
Well, then let's gift wrap this up with a little Christmas spirit cookie dance. Oh, everyone